The mill was acquired in 2009 by Mulch Manufacturing. Since that time, we've had a number of changes. First thing we did was increase the mill from a 12-foot mill to a 16-foot mill, being able to utilize larger logs and utilizing the lumber more efficiently. We also added another dry kiln to increase our drying capacity. At Mulch Manufacturing, best utilization of the log is key. We use everything in the milling process. That's including the tops, which are made into mulch, the butts, which are made of mulch. The lumber links are, of course, converted to lumber, and what cannot be made into lumber is then ground into chips. The primary goal here is to create lumber. But that doesn't mean that everything isn't used. Sawdust from the milling operation is sold into the biofuel markets. We also create cypress malt, cypress chips, and cypress fines. Our goal here is to use the log in the most efficient way. Everything is used. The bark, the dust, the residual from the mill are all turned into usable landscaping products. The key is the best utilization of the resource that God gave us.